definitely going to be a yebo baba type of a wife mina Nkosi yami. Yebo baba uyangihlanyela. Yebo baba uyangidakela. Yebo baba uyangisanganela uyangiyela baba.
Welcome to Mzansi's Funniest Videos. This is Davis and hope you will enjoy this one without wasting any time.
Sawubona mama.
Yeah?
Sawubona mama.
Urkini?
Kire sawubona.
Ubona yini?
Sawubona.
Kargiri fase.
Dumela.
Mutawe.
Ma.
Gola kande muthu sudile ka mo wa bana ba mo ba thomile na ku bujera ke nyoko gola kande a role ya re tore bana ba mo ba thomile ba tlo ba ba bolelo ja bona ke le muthu wa ba lo wena ka mo re a bana ngayo
Arkini.
Ngayo urkini.
Sawubona Aldumela.
Oh urumela. Na ku thangu lo raga lwa bozi u byani.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Gijana ura urkini kana ke agwa ke taba ke kwa bozi. Wazer ke mutauja bana ba o le ralo ka gwana nyo tutakela bisa ku bona ba ba sizulu ene ku bujera kinya ke bana ba sizulu mo ka fiyaga akinya ku jazo zo sizulu
bangetekise egijima njengale awuleke umcela udrive ukuthi ahlisele ispeed o driver abanazinhliziyo ngaza kwehlise la esigangeni ukuthatha ucingo libeke endlebeni umemeze etaxini uthi hello yebo lapha ekhaya ngithi ginqani izindlu ngiyeza no Rafu ngithi lahlana osofa niyangizwa kwenzela ukuthi akuzwe udrive umemeze uthi hello khiphana amakhabethe emnyango niwahlahlele niwalahle ngiyeza no Rafu kwenzela ukuthi akuzwe udriver lapha phambili.
Hi Shomi, today you look so depressed. Thank you Tresoli. Yeah. Ana ka kitsa se next. Next. Next year. Yeah. What umpalesa? Kitsa thank you miss.
No? Palisa.
If it's 1 a.m., how many hours until 3 p.m.?
2. If it's 1 a.m., how many hours is
Until 3 p.m.
If it's 1 a.m. 2 hours.
No, incorrect. Try again.
1 a.m. Oh, 1 a.m. Then, it's a lot of hours. 1 a.m. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 13 hours. 14 hours.
14. Yes, correct. Okay, second question now. How come you can drink drinks but you can't food?
How come you can drink? Because a drink is a drink, and a drink it's made of water and you can drink it. And food is food. Food is a name. To food. How can you food? Now you have to eat food, not food.
Yes. Correct. Okay, third question and last question. If you call a person from China Chinese, what do you call a person from Ghana?
A Ghanaian, whatsoever.
Sorry, say again?
Ghanaian of whatsoever. It's not a Congolese.
No, what does Congolese have to do?
A Zimbabwean. No. A person from Ghana. You don't know a person from Ghana? Ghana is a place, most. What do you call a person from? A person from Ghana. He's from Ghana. He's a person from Ghana.
Bamlahlile mama. Amlahlile mamuthi nendoni yahleka.
That's his mom.
Yabona depressed.
That's why what is this thing is mfana.
Inhliziyo incane. But it's not you, it's me.
A bit.
But I found someone better.
Mara, how old were you when you realized gore ase ona rok ke onder die rok, which basically means undergarment or under the dress?
Oh, no, Rocco.
And also, how old were you when you realized gore ase skripot ke steel pot scour? Gore ka steel pot scour. I don't know why my people decided to name shortcut double up. And double up actually means sharing something with someone, especially a room. So your roommate is doubling up with you. Shortcut, show me. Yo, I love being black.
Exe. Like kumashan la. Sister, uyaphi?
Ngiyangapha mina.
Oh. Bengisitshela ukuthi uzophuma kanje. Uyobe uphuma kanje. Bengizokulandela bese ngiyakubamba inkonzi. But since uphuma ngala and ekugcwele izindlu, angeke ngikhona ukukubamba. So you are safe. Ube be careful.
Every problem in life, it have a solution. This is my problem. Just look at this. This is my problem. You see, my hairline it fuck up. When you look like that in the community, everything you do is wrong. You talk to a lady, that lady, she give you attitude. You can be chilling in text, then you hear a baby crying. The mother of the baby will tell that baby, say, hey, keep quiet. I will tell Maluma here to bite you. That time they point at you, were Maluma. When the baby look at you, she keep quiet same time. If anything go missing, obviously it's you. They don't even ask questions. Police, they come, hey, talk the truth, man. Don't waste our time. So I just visit my barber to avoid that. Just look, he saved me.
South Africans, I'm going to read out the mean comments that you guys have been saying about my car, and you're not allowed to laugh. If your car... oh my God. If your car could speak, it would ask to die. Hey, your car looks like that gum that be under courtroom benches. Don't laugh, it's not funny. I don't even think they would steal that car here in South Africa. Use a broom. I hate you people. It looks like it was vomited on by an anaconda.
Kana gore na wa o itse gore wa mmakatsa tota o itse jaanong ga mmago a lwala wa rile ntse o di reketsene molwetse ga a lwala o ka rekelwa dijo tse di kana-kana wa itse o mpone le metsi a no a mo pompong wa reka gore wa rekela molwetse nna tlhaloganya ya go nako tse dingwe ithele ke ipotsa gore bera gona molwetse yo o nwang drinke a o seka ba bua le sepe o didima le hela o ntebele gore ke dirang ke o hokotsa dijo tse mmago o ta moela dijo tse e leng gore ke itse gore ke tsa mapele didimala le sukiri wa tshameka ke a bo mme mmago wa reng mme ke na lolana tšhaneng ke go sa bui hela sente gore nya ga ona sepele mme o ntogela ke ntsha dilwana tse e leng gore o di reketse molwetse nya kwanta gore gape kana mme ga a lwala wa itse gore go kwa go tshele sente ko gae re isa dijo tse ko go mme o ne o rekile hela sentle mathata a go ke gore re ga o tsena o bo simolola o bua batho ba e leng gore ga wa tshwanela gore ko bo bua ka bona re tsamaya ganana re tshware ga re diege nya re tsamaya ga ke itse gore ga o itse go bua mokgwa go palolela ke go tlhalosa gore o raya go lwala mang
Guys, now I remember when I did my ABCs, there was no cocomelon. there was a song that we sang for you to know your alphabets. Ana Benete, Sicilia Tokasi, Eva Francina, Ginette Helene. I saw Jagalas, Kangaroo, Lioni, Maria Loa, Opa Pitere, Kwe, Russia, Solomoni, Tomasi, University, Walala, Sala, Zambia, Zayodi. When inside the song, you'll know animals.
There's a lot of weird laws in South Africa that a lot of people don't know about, so I'm going to be going through some of these laws with you. First weird law is that it's actually illegal to swear in public. You can dead ass face jail time if you're caught swearing in public. The next law is that it's actually illegal to show PDA in public if you're under the age of 16. What that basically means is that if you're under the age of 16, you can't be kissing, holding hands, doing anything romantic with your partner in public. The next weird law is that if two people are unmarried and they have a child, the woman automatically has all of the rights to the child, but the man doesn't. The man only has to take responsibility of the child if he wants to. The next weird law is that it's illegal to bring bears onto beaches in South Africa, which seems alright, except for the fact that bears have never lived in South Africa. The final weird law is that it's illegal to transport sheep in a taxi.
People swear a lot, they must be arrested. Thanks for making it this far. Please subscribe if you haven't, like, comment, and share.
Uthatha ividiyo babuzwenikelela na Ngeluphendule ngabezwe ngiyabuza uzongiphendulela na Yeah baba wena uhlale standard